What happened after Harper's Ferry, when John Brown was captured, he was put on trial. And at his trial, he was positively brilliant. He was a highly intelligent man. And he looked around and he saw reporters poised to write down every word that he was going to say. And he chose his words so carefully and so intelligently that I can literally, and many academics can quote the speech that he made. Those speeches made their way into northern newspapers. And even people who were not necessarily abolitionists began to support him. They began having church services and rallies in his favor. You know what happened? Then the fire eaters in the South used that as a means of saying, hey, see, we've been saying this about the North. We can't trust them. We need to arm ourselves and secede.